Hey, welcome to Blue Chip Saturday here on the Precision Data Analytics channel on YouTube. That's right, I rebranded my channel. It's no longer Cable Data Science channel. It's now Precision Data Analytics. Same great stock analysis content. Of course, this is Blue Chip Saturday. That means, what is it? That means it's also Ford, one of the bluest of the blue chip stocks out there. Also, before we get started, a big favor to ask again, click that like button for me this evening, okay? Click that thumbs up button. Okay, let's begin as we always do. Closing price, 100 moving average. You can see that despite some volatility, Ford is still staying above the average. Okay, let's take a look at the relative strength index. You can see it's spent a lot of time between this between this 50 and this about the 70. Okay, a lot of activity here. But nothing. It's some bullish, some bearish activity, some up and down momentum, but I suppose if you're a long-term investor, I'm not sure this is anything to be concerned about. Okay, what about the signals? Now you can see, starting with June, we ended a fairly strong downward histogram line bars here because the red line was underneath the signal line. Then it crossed back over a little bit. We had a pretty strong movement back above here. Look at these nice, strong, positive histogram bars right there. Then a big drop back around in mid-July, first part of August. Just look at how strong these negative bars are here. But the good news is we have made a bit of a recovery. Not as strong as the first recovery here, but nonetheless a recovery nonetheless. Now Bollinger Bands. Look how wide this here. This indicates volatility. Okay. The narrower the bands, the narrower the volatility. It's always a good day when your price is actually above the 20-day moving average, but within the two standard deviations. Candlestick plots. We got quite a few days here when the price closed up. All right, look at all these blue bars, and we see a similar thing with the candles, with the bar plot also. A lot of blue bars indicating what? Indicate that the price closed up. The box plot, this is kind of interesting. Again, there's one block for each month, and the whiskers represent the minimum and maximum closing price for each month, okay? And there you have it. That's part one. And part two, next part, we'll go back over, we'll go take a look at some basic forecasting methods, okay?